Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you another syntax highlighter which can be used to highlight source code inside web pages in the browser. So it is basically brought to you by Google. Google has developed this code editor, code syntax highlighter. It is actually called as Google Code Prettify. It is also called as Prettify.js, and this is their GitHub repo. And This is actually JavaScript code prettifier, and it works on HTML pages. We can directly use it by direct CDN right here. So I have just shown this actually as an example here. And if I open this in the browser, it can highlight multiple languages. So we are highlighting JavaScript, we are highlighting PHP, and we are highlighting C sharp. And it contains line numbers as well. If you see on the left hand side, we do have these line numbers, and it has various themes as well. So you can have, you can see I'm using the dark theme. So if you go to their website, it do have various themes. This is the actually default theme. This is the desert theme that I'm using, sunburst. These are some of the themes that it has. So you can pretty much, if you want to have the default theme, so I will simply change this in the code. So it works entirely in the client side. It is very lightweight. If you now open this is actually the lightweight theme that you are seeing. It has white background, and whichever theme that you like, you can actually use this. So all these themes are there. So one such theme is Doxy, Doxy. So basically using this theme, font is little bit changed. I personally don't like this theme because of the font, but you can like according to your theme. So we have this themes as well, sunburst. So here you just need to change this value, skin value, and replace it. You can try out all the themes one by one, and depending, this also looks good with having the black background color. This also highlights pretty much good. So in this way, I have given all the source code in the description. So now to get started, I will start with from scratch. So first of all, just make a index.html file, and right here we will simply say Google code Prettify.js example in browser. So now we do need to include the CDN that I already told you. So this CDN will be coming from https cdn.jsdeliver.net and gh google/code-prettify and @master. This is a full address I'm typing so that you can see /run underscore prettify dash js and then question mark, and here you provide some parameters to this library. We need to auto load this library, so I will put auto load to be true. And then we have the next property, which is skin property. Skin represents which theme that you want to use. So I want to use the desert theme, so I will provide here desert. And then the languages that you want to highlight. So there is a language attribute that you need to pass. So you can highlight multiple languages. So let's suppose I want to highlight the PHP language, comma, and CSS language, comma, JS. So I'm just highlighting these three languages, and we need to load this. So we can write here defer. So this script tag will be loaded in the browser. So now in order to highlight your code, you will simply write the code manually that you want to highlight in the pre tag. So now we will have the pre tag right here, and we will be giving this class which is print. So this is actually the class that you want to give. to whichever section that you want to highlight. This is actual class pretty print. You give this class, and here inside this you will write your code. So I'm just writing first of all showing you the JavaScript code. So this language will automatically be detected. You don't need to pass any specific JavaScript class right here. The language as you type the code will automatically be detected by the library. So we'll define a simple function, JavaScript function, sum. So we'll return a plus p. So now if you refresh your browser, so you will basically see guys, now the JavaScript code is being highlighted. So desert theme is being loaded, and you will see the default styling doesn't look good. It doesn't have padding. So if you want to now customize this, it's very simple. We can write custom CSS right here. We can target the pre-tag right here in the CSS, and we can basically provide some padding. We can provide a padding of 10 pixel. So if you just make this change, you will now see some spacing. You can even provide a border as well, 1 pixel solid, and you need to override the rules. So you will need to write important right here just to override this. So you will actually see bordering as well. If you want to change the background color, you again need to put important right here to override the rules. So now the background will change. If you see, you can pick a dark background color, so you will see that. So you can pick any color of your choice. This brownish color you will now see. So in this way you can change all these properties by just putting this important right here. So it will change these properties. I don't want to change the background color, so I will just reset to the default color. And we can even change the font family as well. So monospace, or you can even use a custom font as well, and then just write important right here to override it. And then the position will be relative. And if you do want to add line numbers, this Prettify.js has a ready-made class here for line numbers. You will just write here line numbers. This is the actual class. So if you refresh, basically after every 5 lines it shows the line number. So in order to rectify this, we need to add some styling. So we need to target this line nums class, and we need to give margin from the left position 40 pixel, and we need to important. Just make sure that you put important right here. It will just give some margin from the left position, and then we need to write this style. We need to give margin from the left position minus 55 pixel, list type decimal. So you will now see, you will see your line numbers appearing on each line like this. So you can adjust the spacing like this. If you don't want this extra space, you can just adjust the spacing like this. So it totally depends upon you how much space that you give inside your pre-tag. So this looks perfect. You will see that. So in this way, you can highlight the JavaScript code. And similarly, if you want to highlight other languages, you will paste it. And this time you can write C# program. So I will ask a question. Make a C# hello world program. So it will automatically detect that this is actually a C sharp. You will see automatically different styling will be there. You just need to add these classes, pretty print line numbers every time. And here you can write, let's suppose, PHP program. So echo hello world. So this is, you can see PHP code. So you can highlight any sort of language. So in this easy way, all the source code I've given in the description. So in this way you can do this. Google code pretty print. It's a pretty old library, guys. It's there in the market, but I just wanted to make a video on this so that you guys can use it. It's totally free and it's pretty lightweight. And thank you very much for watching this video. And it do offers various themes. If you want to change the theme right here, you can just need to make this change right here in the skin parameter. Just change it to default. So now your theme will change. So you can see that. So whatever theme that you like, you can change it in this parameter. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And one more thing, do check my website out, freemediatools.com. So it contains thousands free tools related to audio, video, image. I daily upload on this website. So I will be seeing you in the next one.